everyone, Luna here. Today, we're gonna create a fully procedural carbon nanotube that can be generated from any curve with tons of customization options. Let's jump right into the demo. First, create a default cube and open up the Geometry Nodes panel. We'll start by making a curve line and a curve circle, then use curve to mesh to turn them into a 3D model. Turn on wireframe mode so we can edit the points easily. Next, add a resample node to increase the curve subdivisions and model resolution. Now, drop in a triangulate node to convert quads into triangles. Then, use a dual mesh node to convert those triangles into hexagons. Now we've got a cylinder made of hexagons, but they're kinda uneven. Let's fix that. We'll rotate the curve line by applying different tilt values from the base to the tip. Add a set curve tilt node to control the profile curve's rotation. Then, wire up a value node and a spline parameter node, and multiply them together with a math node to drive the tilt. After some tweaking, we'll get perfectly even hexagons. But wait, there's a catch! If we adjust the curve length, circle radius, or resolution, the hexagons get messed up again. So, to make this truly procedural, we need to link these parameters mathematically. Here's the trick. Calculate the circle's circumference and divide it by the segment count to get each edge's length. Use trigonometric formulas to find the triangle height. Divide the total curve length by that height to get the resample count. Now the height is locked in. Reorganize nodes to keep things clean, no spaghetti wires. Next, the tilt. Take 360 degrees. Divide by the segment count, then have it. That's the rotation per layer. Multiply by the curve subdivisions for the total tilt. Now we've got it. A base model controlled by just radius and resolution. Tweak them freely. Time for the carbon atoms. Add a sphere node and use instance on points to scatter balls on the mesh. Adjust their radius. Convert the mesh to a curve, then back to a mesh to create the atomic bonds. Fine-tune their thickness. Assign materials to the atoms and bonds using set material. Add a light and hit render. Looks awesome. Here's the best part. Swap the default line with any curve, drag it into the node tree or draw one by hand. And boom! Your custom nanotube is ready. That's the whole workflow. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.